Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. I'll usually do a food shop during the week, but I'm eating up the freezer at the moment and trying to get rid of, because I've got rafts of pasta and stuff like that in the house, so I thought, right. So I've been thrifting today. I went thrifting this morning and then I went out for a walk in the park with the dog. And if you see me in the mirror, I'll show you. I'm like a try rat, even though I had my hat on. Oh. I know, scary, isn't it? I try and... So, yes, I've been thrifting, so I thought I'd show you that. And my son gave me some stuff to put up for sale for some money towards the plumber, because we need to get the plumber out to change the sink in the bathroom upstairs, because when I bought the sink, it was the wrong colour. They sent a cream one instead of a white one. But I've had it there a couple of years, so I couldn't really retain it. And the cat's here on the scrounge because I've got trifle. Because when my son came home yesterday, he'd bought me a raspberry trifle. Yum, yum, yum. He's lovely. I do feel truly blessed because he comes home with treats for me. Or if he goes to sweet shop, he gives me a ring and says to me, do you want to think, Mum? You know, like a pack of crisp or a chocky bar or something like that. He's really good. He's just so pleasant to be around. He's a lovely lad. So I've just microwaved the last of my pasta bake. I made another tuna pasta bake. It's on all my playlists and whatever. This one's got some pasta peppers in, red and green peppers, not that you can see, and lots of onion. So just trying to use up all the bits out the fridge. So I'm going to scoff them. And then I'm going to light the fire and burn some cardboard, because I've got a load of cardboard and I've filled my recycling bin. So I've been working my way through cardboard to burn, and I will use the ashes on the plants, because my garden is all potted plants, because all we've got is paving stones. We've got no real actual garden. So here's the poor dog, looking drowned, because we're absolutely soaked, and I've left the towel there. He's too wet out there. So I've got the heating on, so I'm going to light the fire. I've got my chairs in here. Honest to God, all I do is play furniture Jenga. Isn't it right? All I do is play furniture Jenga. This is my lovely dog Willow, if you're a new viewer. She's a rescue. We've had her about 4.5 years. But I have to keep her and the cat separate. The cat wants to make friends, but the dog doesn't. So, there's she. Surrounded by rubbish. Yeah, so I did some painting yesterday, as you see by my show with my shower cap on. And I've got no shame. And all nice and white. It needs another coat. I've brought the white down to the picture rail, and everywhere else is going to be painted in my lovely green paint by Dulux Village Maze. So it's looking fresh and clean already, but it all needs another coat. So after I've burnt my cardboard and eaten my food and everything, it's all in there, I'm going to do another coat of paint in here before it gets dark, because I don't want to melt the plastic on my lamp. It's one of my viewers mentioned. So yeah, let's crack on and I'll show you what stuff I've got. So this is what my son gave me. Hello, darling. Hello. Disney Infinity figures. These are years old, and they're all Avengers. So this is an amiibo, which is different but very similar. Ridiculous. So I'll go up separately, but all the Avengers stuff will go up. I can't remember the name of the Hulk, obviously. Okay, Iron Man. It's Captain Jack Sparrow there. I know. Another amiibo. And the crystal. Alright, this is because she knows A, I'm in here, B, I'm with the cat, and C, I've got food. That's why I'm eating in here, because she'll hassle me, and as you know, dogs can't have onions. Not that Pell seems to agree. I think she's after the trifle. So I've got all these figures to put up for sale on eBay. So I'm going to do a job lot of the amiibos, not amiibos, Disney Infinity. They all go together with the little crystal doodah. And I'll do these two amiibos separately. There were some other amiibos, but the older son scrounged them, which is fair enough. Don't mind him having them. So he's got another parcel going up to Scotland. So it's nice. It's like a continued Christmas, isn't it? So yeah, I went to my local charity shop, which is much cheaper. Lovely staff. I got a cheapy scarf, which is full of butterflies and flowers, because I want to make a Kawandi quilt. So I'm looking for scarves to do the backing of them. Basically, I'm going to be upping my crafting game once all my DIY's done. So I'll be doing lots of crafting videos once the house is up for sale. So, as they say, watch this space. So I got a scarf. I got a sheet for my son's bed, which is still brand new in packet. That was £2 apparently. So it's grey, so it'll go with his room. I'll fling it in the wash anyway. And I got some plant pots, because in my bathroom I was watering the plants the other day, and one of them was hanging off like a shelf, little tiny shelf plant hanger. I knocked it off and broke the plant pot. Plant was intact, but the plant pot broke. So I picked up two, purely because I propagate loads of spider plants, because they're dead easy to grow when you grow the little babies. But I thought this was lovely. Isn't that sweet? So that'll go in one of the rooms somewhere. Might go in the box bedroom because it's sort of cottagey in that style. And this one will go in the bathroom because it's white. So it'll go with my bathroom upstairs. I also got this picture to go in. Oh, struggling to get the bag open. Do you know what the irony is? I bought 2 bags to the shop of all my son's clothes. So I walked in with 2 bags and walked out with 2. So this little seaside picture I thought was lovely. So that'll go in the bathroom, just to sort of dress it up a bit. And this I absolutely love. This woven basket, and I was saying to the lady in the shop, and if obviously I think it would have had a lid, because some people use these as sewing baskets and all that, but I said it reminds me of a snake charmer's basket. There's a Bob Hope film, and I'm showing my age here, Bob Hope and Bing Crosby, where there's a girl. They're like, it's a snake charmer, and I think the snake turns into a girl, and she's dancing coming out the basket. Probably, is it Road to Zanzibar? Because they did Road to such and such a place, loads of them. Yeah, show me age. And they were always on the telly on the weekend, all these old Bob Hope and Bing Crosby films, like White Christmas and all that. And that just reminds me of an Alibaba snake charmers type thing. We would always have had a little lid, but I just think that's lovely, really nice. And I got a bloke's jumper, because the bloke's jumpers are always better made than the women's, because the women's are always acrylic or polyester, whereas the men's often you get cotton or cashmere or lamb's wool. And this is an M&S one, pure cotton. This is for me, so I'll get the flung in the wash. I've just done some washing, so let's wait till next time. So I'm going to put that in the wash, so that'll be a nice another cheapy jumper. So I got all of that for £6. So I got a man's 100% cotton jumper from M&S, my pretty picture, 2 plant pots, a bed sheet, a scarf, and a snake charmer's basket. All for £6. I love that charity shop, did I go? Because if you get loads and loads of stuff, they always like give you it cheap, because if you just say pick up a plant pot, they'll say £1 or 2. But if you get a few things, they're just like 5, whatever. And then I was going to pay 5, and then I seen the picture and I said, oh, we'll have the picture, so it was £6. So I can live with that. So I'm going to eat my food in the peace and quiet of in here, because the dog's scroungy. Probably give the cat some cream. I love trifle, because as we all know, it's custard season. And raspberry trifle's my favourite, because I find strawberry trifle, the strawberries are always like bullets, they're always rock hard. So I had half of it yesterday, so I'm going to polish that off after this and just have some chill time with the dog in front of the fire. burning my cardboard for an hour, and then I'll crack on with doing the second coat on my ceiling, but it looks so much better already because it was rotten. So this was matte, it was in silk paint originally, and tomorrow I'll put the picture rails up, the data rails up, halfway down the wall, and I've got to line the wall there in the corner, see it's botchy, so I'll line that under there, and then I need to sort out all these skirting boards, and the door frame, and then I can crack on with everything. I do me lovely village maze paint green everywhere. So yeah, just a nice little update with me little thrifted finds. Me pussycat having a nose. So please like, share and subscribe. I hope to see you soon. And bye for now.